the mattress. First big road trip with the van, we are headed to IKEA. Welcome back everyone, my name is Laura. If you're new here, I am converting this Ford Transit van to an off-grid camper so that I can visit every national park in the US this year. You're gonna want to subscribe because we're just getting started. Today, I'm at IKEA. One of my goals with this camper van is to convert it in 4 weeks. Sometimes people take 6 months just to convert their van. In order to do it, I'm gonna see if there's any IKEA furniture that I can use for the kitchen or the closet or the bed to give me a head start in building the camper. Let's go see what they have. Dad, can I just take the bed? Yeah. Walking through IKEA, this is one of the things I had picked out ahead of time. I'm looking for something that's just a little shorter and a little less depth. We're kind of striking out on the cabinets. Apparently there's a cabinet shortage, but another thing on the list is a mattress. So definitely getting a foam mattress in case I have to carve it out a little bit. So many people who skimp on the mattress have had to buy new mattresses, and I don't want to have to worry about that. So we're going to get a mattress. We're also going to buy the bed slats so that I don't have to make them. That should make that project much easier. Now that I know the price of plywood, the $50 for bed slats is going to be no problem. I think this is the one. Oh no. I think that's the one. Okay. I think that's it. We're gonna stick with that. I don't think I can touch any more of them today. And to get the hand sanitizer out. Looks like we'll be able to wrap up all the bed stuff. So looking at comforters here, I think that I should get a warm one just in case I need it. And I really like this. So I think it's time to just grab what we need. If I like it, I'm gonna grab it. I'm gonna take it. So this is our comforter. I've tried a few different pillows from here. I always think that I'm gonna grab the right one. I think this one is one that I like, so I'm gonna try that one this time. It's only $10. If all else fails, it'll be an extra pillow on the bed. This comforter is on sale and I really like it, but I also love this color. So they've had this one throughout the store multiple times. You can probably tell that I like this color. I wear maroon a lot, but I really like this one. So I'm gonna get this one, and then we're gonna look for some accent pillows in that color. Seems way too early to buy a rug before I even finish building the van, but I really want a rug to put outside so that when I'm somewhere for a long time, I don't track as much dirt into the van. It's way too soon, but it's only $10, so it's in the cart. Heading down to get the bed slats. Full or double. It says $30. Are they together, right?
So I'm getting 2 of them. Full and double.
Now we just need the mattress. The mattress. Nothing to see here. We managed to get everything for the bed, but none of the cabinets that we came for. IKEA trip is officially a success for the bed. We have the full bed, pillows, bed slats, everything we need to make the bed. So we're gonna call this trip to IKEA a success. Thanks to the help of Courtney. While we have Courtney here, I have to point out that she designed this really awesome line of clothing. It's Escape the Wanted, just like her YouTube channel, escapethewanted.com. You can check out all of these shirts and hats. Okay, what is Escape the Wanted?
So the word wanted means the usual, the habitual, the customary. My design is we're gonna escape that. We're gonna go off and do what is not traditional, what is not mundane.
Tell us about the shirt. Where is this picture from?
So this is actually a picture that I took in the Grand Canyon, and I used it as a graphic with the Escape the Wanted lettering on it, and I have a couple of other different designs with this specific picture on it. Just thought it was really cool, black and white design. Let me know what you think.
I'm really excited for this clothing line because I got to watch Courtney put it together. I also know that her trip to the Grand Canyon was just an amazing experience.
It really was.
It was the first time that she really got to travel by herself. I have never been to the Grand Canyon, so I have no doubt that it is a life-changing experience to see it, but I think it's so cool to know that she had that experience at the Grand Canyon, really escaping from the everyday, and then she comes out with this clothing line, all different colors, all different designs, hoping to encourage other people to escape the wanted too. Of course, she had to wear them in IKEA today. That is my shirt, and I will have it on for the rest of the summer. Not the hat, though. I can't do hats. I'll put a link in the description so you guys can all check this out. Is it time for dinner?
Yeah.
We're gonna go get dinner. See you guys later. Hopefully.
I just never do that except for on camera.
There was a goose. We have a goose interrupting the interview.
Thank you so much for checking out the escapethewanted.com.
I think it's gonna be $32.82. I hope it's gonna be more, isn't it?
38.
No, 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 no. Oh no.